Hey everyone, welcome back to Noor Telecom. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy troubleshoot with iPhone 10 SIM slot. Let's get started.
Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to solve iPhone X SIM socket problem.
At first, we will disassemble the phone. Removing the motherboard. Now place the motherboard in a motherboard holder. Adding protective tape to protect other components from heat. Remove the SIM slot through a hot gun. Cleaning the connectors. Adding some paste. Installing the new SIM slot. It's time to test. And that's it. You've successfully resolved the iPhone 10 no SIM card issue. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Noor Telecom for more tech tips and repair guides. Got any questions or need further assistance? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.